This here is one of our fish tank setups. It's a 10 gallon above a 5 gallon. I made these light panels myself, just a quick little 2-layer board. There's 24 LEDs per panel. It's definitely overkill for a 10 gallon, but the idea was to make something scalable for the 29 gallon. So you can see here my light setup. Oh my god, my eyes. But it's good. We're trying to get a lot of plant growth going, so hence the lots of LEDs. Those were the light strips that I was using before. But yeah, that's the 29 gallon. It's using the same kind of light controller. I'll need to show you that actually on this one because it's a lot easier to access. Here is my little light controller. It's powered by a 12 volt AC to DC adapter, and these barrel jacks are for the 2 channels of light. Let's wake up the display now. I keep it, it sleeps after 1 minute because OLEDs are very susceptible to burn-in. We can manually control the lights, so you see there. There's a bit of a soft start as well, but I'm trying to see if maybe I'll lengthen the time the soft start happens, just to stop startling fish in the morning. There's my foot in the reflection there. One thing we learned was bettas apparently like less light. So the 2-channel controller, what I really like about this is I can select the duty cycle. So individually I can dim, oh, sorry buddy. I can dim the tank. I'm just using 5% increments on the duty cycle for now, just because I don't really need that resolute of a change. But so we can see here, and we can make it brighter on one tank versus another, which is pretty cool. My phone is adjusting the brightness each time I increase the brightness, so you probably can't see the changes that noticeable, but it's quite noticeable. Here are the on times. It's quite easy to edit, so I can press, change the hours, change the minutes. It's very intuitive. The time now, there's a little real-time clock battery in here, so if I unplug the whole system, if power goes out, I plug it back in, it still knows what time it is. So it's remembered the time. And yeah, that's my light controller. I'm really proud of it. Really enjoying its reliability so far. And yeah. Okay, let's take a closer look here. I had to make the 3D printed case front 2 pieces because the connectors are a bit tall, as well as a couple capacitors on the circuit board. So I decided just to kind of give it a bit of like a step down design where the interface is a lower profile than the connector side. At the top there where the LEDs shine through, I just filled with hot glue, and it kind of makes like a little opaque diffuser, kind of like a poor man's diffuser. And the buttons are just 3D printed as well, and they kind of just sit loosely in there, but they're sandwiched so they can't really go anywhere. Let's take a quick look at the circuit now. It's very largely based off of the Fish Feeder V2 that's on my YouTube channel. It's got the STM32L051 as the microcontroller. It has the same interface as that circuit with the real-time clock, EEPROM memory, the OLED circuit. The only difference is instead of controlling a stepper motor, it's controlling 2 N-channel MOSFETs. They're the NDT3055. It's basically a surface mount version of the MTP3055. Really good logic level control, and I put in the circuit some freewheeling diodes, but they're not necessary for LEDs, just in case I want to send out a pulse width modulation to control the duty cycle on, let's say, I don't know, something with an inductive load like a 12 volt pump or something like that. It's just a provision for the future, essentially. But yeah, that's my light circuit. Hopefully it lasts a very long time, and thank you for stopping by.